guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've created this look for Eid and I'm loving it, to be honest. And yeah, if you want to know how I have achieved this makeup look, then please keep on watching. तो सबसे पहली चीज़ जो मैं यूज़ करने वाली हूँ वो है निविया का सॉफ्ट मॉइस्चराइज़र, जो मेरा ऑल टाइम फेवरेट है, क्योंकि मेकअप करने से पहले हमेशा आपको मॉइस्चराइज करना चाहिए अपने स्किन को. सो द सेकंड स्टेप आफ्टर मॉइस्चराइजर इज प्राइमर. Never skip your primer because it's very important, and today I'm using the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. So for the foundation today I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour matte cover foundation in shade 107 Fresh Beige. So I'm going to be using very little amount of it because it's a full coverage foundation. Can you see the coverage? It's so full coverage. So guys, I'm done with my foundation, and after my foundation I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. So guys, the next thing that I'm going to be using is this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade 312 Amber. I'm using is this Sugar All Set to Go translucent powder. And now we are going to be doing our eye makeup, and today I'm using this new palette from Huda Beauty. It's Huda Beauty Nude Light Palette, and it has some really amazing colors, you can see. Okay, I'm going to be starting off with this color right here. So guys, the next color that I have already used on my eyes is this one right here. Now I'm going to be contouring my face, and I'm using this Sugar Contour Deforce palette. And I'm taking the contour shade, I'm going to be contouring mine. So for the blush, I'm using this blush from Bobbi Brown in the shade Nectar. Okay, now for the highlighter, I'm using this highlighter from MAC in the shade Whisper of Guilt. It's a very pretty golden color. And I'm just going to be... makeup. I'm going to be using this kajal from MAC in the shade Graph Black, and yeah, I'm going to be using it. guys, I'm done with the kajal. I'm loving the kajal, by the way. And to complete the eye makeup, I'm going to be using this Dangle mascara from Too Faced. Okay, I'm done with the eye makeup and I'm loving it, to be honest. Okay, to end this makeup look, I'm using this lipstick from MAC Cosmetics in the shade Rill. मुझे किसी ने करेक्ट किया था कमेंट सेक्शन में, रिल होगा, रिल नहीं, कुछ तो बोला था फिर मैंने भी रिल ही बोला था बाय द वे. Last product that I'm using is the MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus to set my face, and yeah. Okay, we are done. Can you see that glow after this setting spray? I'm loving it. So guys, I'm done with this makeup look. I'm loving this makeup. So yeah, if you liked this video, don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel to just stay updated whenever I post a new video. Bye!